I want that in my room.
I want it in my bathroom.
Replace it with the Gilligan one.
Imagine those in the bathroom, over the toilet, or like in front of the toilet.
A beautiful portrait of Philip in the bathroom. That would actually be amazing. Yes, they do. Or I want the OK Computer. I wonder if they have a special edition one for OK Computer. These are all the good songs. Bro, I've done Sevenfold. Like the best.
Good one. Huh?
That is so cool. What did they start doing? They had, oh, they have a Radon one.
Hmm?
They have the other one. Yeah. That one is.
Why say both?
It was made by AI. Okay. That one is cool. Yeah.
I like this one. Oh yeah. So what do you get up this?
Yesterday I got so old.
Oh wow, it's nothing at all.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's not even randomized. You should buy like a randomized one.
It's scam. There's
And I know I was wrong when I said it was true.
He wants to get rid of 40. Come on. If you have 100, why are you using credit? Because this is cash only.
Why wouldn't I just get my own? I only have $100.
I don't know. But he wants to get rid of money. Bro, I kind of want to. Wait, can you find a seat too? Can you pick a seat?
It's not that hard.
Can you please pick a seat, please?
Walk away, come back today.
Here.
Who wants to drink? I have 15.
Oh, where's your camera?
I just took a picture. Wait, did one of those like drink on? I want to drink right now. I'll split.
Oh shit, sorry. I clicked the Minute Maid one.
Try it right now.
Is it good?
I don't know what you got.
Bro, I got the Minute Maid one.
Are you sure?
Yes, I got the Minute. Get the Sprite one, just to see.
Soda.
Wait, you get free soda. No wonder that one's free, because it tastes like shit. Bro, this looks like a school burger.
It's good.
Dude, it's gonna look bad.
No, these are good.
They don't look that bad, but that burger, that is set. Rachel, did you look it?
Walmart has a better vinyl.
No, the other party does. Yeah. Wait to go to Steve's. Steve has the best vinyls. That's all he sales. I would hope he has a good vinyl. Okay, it's music. They're all music.
Music, he has the best music.